Hello guys, and welcome to this quick tutorial from Tech TV. We know on an Android phone we have a system known as Clipboard, which saves text or links which we have copied from sites or applications temporarily, which you can retrieve and paste at other applications. It's now available on Windows. I'm currently using Windows 11 and I'm going to show you how to do that. But first, let me open Notepad. Then opening Notepad, I want to open our Clipboard on Windows, which is simple by clicking the Windows key plus V to open this our Clipboard. So open our Clipboard, you can see we have nothing on our Clipboard because we haven't copied anything. But it also comes with cool features like symbols. We have different types of symbols. We have currency symbols, whatever we have. We also have GIFs, which is offline. So yeah, we also have this cow emoji, which combines symbols to give stories. Then we also have stickers itself. Or which sticker do you want? Maybe happy, or maybe the laugh sticker, or yeah. So guys, this is a quick one from Tech TV. See you in the next videos. Bye for now.